Hey everyone, so hope you're all doing alright. Today I'm going to show you a trick that will save your time. So stop wasting your time and do this trick. So I usually, if you want, I want to select this ball, for example, I will do this. Okay, that sounds easy, but in many photos there is complicated structure. So selecting it is like wasting your time. So look what should you do. If you have a white background or any other background, just use this tool instead of the quick selection tool. So, for example, I selected this, I selected the background and inverse this, the I put the shortcut on the windows right here, and now the ball is selected. You can fix some of these, boom, easily. That's it, instead of trying to select all of the ball. And you can fix the spaces right here. Now, you can do whatever you want with it. Hope you guys learned something from it, and check another tutorials, as I do loads of tutorials on Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve, and bunch more. See you next time. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.